After a long time of missing home, I finally went back. And honestly, that longing, it was satisfied. But being home, something clicked and it made me pause. For the first time, I had finally accepted that I had one whole year before law school. And I asked myself, what do I actually want for myself this year? And the truth is, I don't want to spend this year doing anything law related. So, I'm heading to Lagos to figure things out. What do I want to do? How do I want to get there? And most importantly, what's next? Lay back, tell you, baby, love it, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead, drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off.
Jesus, my still we have praise.
People, I know I've said Happy New Year, but I've not said Happy New Month. This is February, the month of love. This year is going to be a huge year for me. I am trying to take a very drastic decision. I'm going to cut my hair this year. So look out if you're seeing, if your eyes are clear, you would notice that I made some beautiful nails yesterday. What stunned me about it was the fact that it was a child that made my nails, and she's very good, you can see. So we are going to do something to our hair. I have an event to attend on Saturday. My aunt is a chef. If you have been consistent watching my vlogs, you would know that I have not vlogged in a very long while. I've forgotten how to vlog, and I'm overthinking it because I'm trying to improve the quality of my vlog so that it has more meaning, you know. This is the way I'm looking like a mad person every day, so we have to change that today. Good afternoon. It's another day. I don't know how yesterday went, but it was successful. I have eventually cut my hair. No, seriously, don't laugh. It's because it's dry and I slept with a satin. But me, I just want to say that I've never seen a brand that is very brutally honest about how dangerous their products. I was so stunned, but honestly, I like the honesty because then again, you know the harm of the product, and lawsuits will not be flying up and down for the company. And still, when you're buying something, you're aware of what you're using. I recall kits that I used was so honest, telling us how harmful it is, and continuous use of the product can lead to cancer. And you know the craziest thing, people are buying. Me self, like Kuma bought. The only thing is that yesterday, I didn't know that Jerry calls take this time. Like my aunt was telling me that it will take time. It will take time. I'm like, it's not just so cool here, guys. Where the waiting is is in leaving the relaxer on for 1 hour, rolling and leaving for 15 minutes. It's as good as you plaiting your hair. At the end of the day, I really loved my results. Rate my hair. Over 10.
I like the hair. I'll rate it over 10.
Why?
Because
Like as I cut the hair.
yeah. No. I do not like as you cut the hair.
Today I was giving you rate it.
The same 8.
Why?
Because I don't like as you cut the hair. In fact, you cut the hair. It's heartbreaking. The hair is coily. It looks like Chinese hair. That's what makes it fine.
I think I'm Chinese right now. I'm going to change my nationality.
I'm not even a black Chinese.
Bruh.
Those people with nails are classified to do it. Okay. I wanted to come back to Nigeria so bad in it.
Because if you have family,
It's not even about the family, you know. Morning, guys. It's the next morning. It rained yesterday. Preparations continued. I didn't try to cook this morning, but I woke everybody up. We're about to make kebabs. Slept with a nylon and a bonnet. I tried to test my camera. It doesn't want to stay. Before I made Jay's Jericho, according to my research, you have to sleep with a nylon or a shower cap. But if you sleep with a bonnet, your hair will look dry in the morning. I did sleep with a bonnet yesterday because it's silk, you know, but this is like it became dry. I now used a nylon to sleep yesterday, and I'll see how it looks. Let's remove the shower cap together and see. True. Doing kebab for the first time. This will not be my first time.
no, this is Kiwa.
Skewer. Oh, sorry guys. Skewer. This one too. Is it not me that bought you that too? That's the end. And also I forgot to tell you guys happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day.
Happy Val.
I'm exhausted and now it's a wrap. Bye guys.
Bye.
Hey. We are learning how to cook few. They are preparing us to enter somebody else's house. They eat it together. Everybody. Oh.
It brings love back
Into the home.
into the home.
It's never lost.
Okay.
You don't eat this kind of food. You use your hand and the spoon is hot. But they don't eat it separate.